So after many people are seeing this consolidation, after this huge pump towards the upside, many people give up on the idea that this Bitcoin pump will last and continue towards the upside. I see a lot of Bitcoin bears returning in towards crypto Twitter, and people are once again calling for price targets all the way down towards the 12k target, which I think is absolutely crazy. But do not get fooled, because a consolidation after such a huge bump towards the upside is very normal, and it is to be expected. And whenever all of these bears are returning at these highs again, well, it is only indicating to me that we are headed even higher, because if literally everyone was bullish at the top, well, that would actually be quite bearish. But since everyone seems to be agreeing that we are headed once again towards the downside, well, that is only telling me that we are headed even higher. And before going in towards the imminent short term, actually for this video, you will need to understand that in the larger trend, well, we are getting all of these very significant breakouts. We are finally officially returning in towards bull market territories. Because look at this chart. We have been having a look in towards this chart for so many times whenever we were at these lows, and right now definitely we are at this disbelief / hope zones. And this is only pretty much the beginning of a next bull market. Have a look in towards this chart as well. We are getting this very bullish breakout finally, and the previous time was about right here. We are getting so many bullish breakouts. We are about to get a Bitcoin halving within 170 days and a Bitcoin spot ETF within the coming 60 days. So this is only the beginning of the next bull market, and right now is not the time to be bearish on Bitcoin. This is only the beginning of a bigger pump that is about to come. This cycle is exactly 101 repeating, and with that kept in mind, have a look in towards the short term now. We are forming an amazing bullish pennant after creating this huge pump towards the upside, and we are as well headed in towards a Bitcoin weekend. Of course, today we are trading in a Friday, and tomorrow it will be Saturday and Sunday again, and during the Bitcoin weekend, usually we can be seeing a lower amount of volatility, so I'm not going to be expecting any kind of a breakout happening during the course of this weekend. But what we can actually have a look in towards is we can extend this bullish pennant even more, and in that scenario, well, we could still be trading in some kind of a symmetrical triangle during the course of next week. And if beginning next week we can still be trading inside of some kind of a pennant, well, that would be very bullish, because have a look in towards this weekly candle close. In this case, well, we are getting and confirming this very significant breakout. We are literally confirming it, and you cannot argue about this fact, because you cannot draw this resistance line any different and still say that we are getting rejected. No, we are definitely getting this breakout, and a lot of people are waiting for the weekly candle close and then enter their Bitcoin positions. And so probably next week will be once again a very bullish week for Bitcoin. And with that kept in mind, well, we are right now trading inside of this bullish pennant, and probably beginning next week as well, we are going to be trading still inside and are going to be awaiting a massive breakout from of this pennant we can be right now having a look in towards. Now, as well, we are as well creating some kind of consolidation range. You might have a look in towards this consolidation range like a bull flag pattern, but in my opinion, we are just sideways consolidating right here. And in my opinion as well, this could be a very good scalping range where you could be buying Bitcoin up at the lower end and selling some Bitcoin at the upper end. Now, eventually, we will be breaking out towards either the downside or towards the upside, but in my opinion, it will be more likely that we are going to be breaking out towards the upside. Now, another thing is that October has been a very bullish month for Bitcoin, but we still do have November and December as well, because historically speaking, Q4 has always been quite bullish for the Bitcoin price, and right now we are off to a great start for Q4, but we still do have November and December, which is always also been very bullish months for Bitcoin. So it will be very interesting to see what will be happening during these next few months. But because we are getting off these very bullish breakouts, well, I definitely also do agree that we are going to be seeing some very bullish months. And with that being said, well, today was once again a bit of a shorter one, but I am still feeling quite sick, so I hope to be better soon. And with that being said, make sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.